great morning, great afternoon, and great evening, whichever you may be tuning into the video, man. I'm excited again to come and talk to y'all. And with this video, we talking about a visualization example. So in the last video, I covered visualization in 2 different ways in order for you to visualize a component. So now I'm going to talk about the mural behind me. Now I'm going to talk about the mural behind me. So at one point in time, this wall was blank. At one point in time, it didn't have anything on it. It didn't have no components on it. It was a blank wall. So the artist had to start to visualize what they wanted this mural to look like before they got started. And the reason why they started to visualize it before they got started is because it's harder to draw something, it's harder to get started on something or to accomplish something if you don't have a target in mind. So that's what we talked about, targets, but this wall was blank. So the first step is, after they have that target in mind, after they have that visualization, they start to see how they want their product to look. They can start to sketch it. So they can start to sketch what they want on the wall. They can start to sketch and start to add the different components. And so as they start to sketch, their vision can change, their visualization can change, and they can make those adjustments along the way. So after they sketch it, they can start to add the color, so they can start to see that next component. And as they see or as they visualize that next component, they can add more to it. They can make more adjustments along the way. But the more that they can see, the more that they can visualize, the more specific they can be with the details or the intricate details of the mural, the easier it is going to be for them to paint this mural when they get started. But that's the second component, is adding the color and adding everything else. And once you start to add the color, and then once you start to add the details at the end, you can start to really see that vision come along. And as they start to take these different steps, like step 1, sketching it, it begins to become more and more and more and more real. It becomes more and more real. So that vision is starting to become a reality because they start to take those steps in between, and they start to make that vision into a reality because your mind can't distinguish the difference between imagination and reality. That's why that vision is so engulfed in their mind that they start to make it happen. They start to make it a reality. They start to see it, they start to believe it, and then guess what? At the end, as you can see behind me, they achieved it. So that's what you got to do, man. When you visualizing it, take those different steps, just like the artist took with sketching it, then adding the color, then adding the intricate details of it. And I'm pretty sure there's some more steps that you artists can tell me, but those are the steps that I see when I look at this mural, that in order for them to make it happen, that they had to do. That's it for this week, man. I'm gonna holler at y'all next week, man. But remember, that greatness starts right here in the heart, and we all got it. So let's get it, man. I'm gonna show y'all the full mural in essence and how it really looks and what it took to make it happen. Let's get it. So it actually starts right over here along this part. So you got that. Look at the details of this thing, though. See the eyes, the color, the glow, the hammer. Let's back up some. So you can see. Look at that. Look at Venom, man. This thing cold, boy. So here's another piece that I wanted y'all to see. So behind, this is actually called Millwood Barbecue. So behind here, they have Millwood Barbecue. So it says, meanwhile in the Queen City, and it has Spider-Man saying the Spidey sense to smell barbecue with the web in between, with the barbecue in between the web. So they're going towards the barbecue joint. So I thought that was very intriguing. How they set that up, man. That was cold. That was cold. Alright, man, so that's the full, I can't even talk, that's the full mural, as y'all can see, man. But that's it, week, man. I'm gonna holler at y'all next week, man. We gonna have some more footage coming, man. We got some more interviews coming, man. Just be on the lookout. Alright, man, y'all take care.